Get it fixed right for the first time. Your trusted handyman for all home repairs. Home repairs. Fixing doors, replacing light bulbs, repairing leaky faucets, and more. Painting and decorating. Carpentry work. Furniture repairs. Cabinet installation. Wooden fence repairs. Basic electrical work. Switch replacement. Light fixture installation. And minor electrical repairs. Installations. Appliance installation. Wall-mounted TV setup. Security system installation. Plumbing. Fixing minor leaks. Faucet replacements. And drain cleaning. Experienced and skilled technicians. Fast and efficient service. Satisfaction guaranteed. Affordable rates. Enjoy 25% off your first service. Contact us for a free quote today